The TW's here and our pontoon boat is in the water. Cameron is with us and we're hitting the hot springs. So we'll check in later when we're in the water. T-dubs are aboard and we are venturing out right now. Happy birthday, Mark. Here we are, just in the first channel. Got a good strong start.
Live it and love it.
We're doing it.
TWs are happy. They're just waiting. We'll start the engines in a little while.
Marcos, what do you think? We landed. Things are looking up. Just starting our trip here. Boys are a little bit hungry. All hands on right now. Got the jet boil fired up.
Oh yeah. This is not no ordinary kitchen.
No. This is the
jet boil kitchen.
This is jet boil. Cameron, how's this working there, bud?
Grilled cheese going.
Grilled cheese in? Okay, cook those nice and hot, buddy. Okay, we arrived. Bike's parked. Beautiful river. Sure looks like a well-beaten path. Here we come, hot springs.
I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Very pretty in here.
Looks good, guys.
That's awesome. Rock climbing 101.
Leaving the tubs. Nice job, Mark.
Nice.